Wake up. I wake up at 7 a.m. every morning. Press snooze button. Turn off alarm. Get up. I press the snooze button 5 times every morning before I turn off the alarm and get up. Make bed. After getting up, I make my bed. Have a cup of coffee. Make breakfast. I have a cup of coffee and make breakfast. Read newspaper. Have breakfast. I usually read the newspaper while I have breakfast. Have a shower. Get dressed. My children like to have a shower after they have breakfast, but I like to have a shower before I get dressed. Brush hair. Comb hair. My wife brushes her long hair, and I have short hair, so I comb my hair. Do hair. How do you do your hair in the morning? Brush teeth. Put on makeup. It is important to brush your teeth, and some women like to put makeup on. Go to office. Check emails. Take calls. At 9:30 a.m., I go to office, check emails and take calls. Finish work. Go home. Cook dinner. After I have finished work, I go home and cook dinner. Make dinner. In my house, I usually make dinner. Eat dinner. The family eat dinner together at 7:30 p.m. Do homework. Chill out. Watch television. After dinner, I make sure that my children do their homework, and then I chill out on the sofa and watch television. Watch news. On television I usually watch the news. Throw trash out. Do dishes. My wife usually comes to tell me to throw trash out, or do the dishes. Feed dog and cat. Go to bathroom. Go to bed. Our children feed the dog and the cat before they go to bed, and I tell them to go to the bathroom too. Take medication. Get into pajamas. Set alarm. If I am sick I have to take my medication, but then I get into my pajamas and set the alarm so I wake up in the morning. Lock door. Turn off lights. Go to bed. The last things I do is lock the door, turn off the lights, and go to bed. Fall asleep. It doesn't take me long to fall asleep.